Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will talk about the term internationalization. Now if we check this image, the word internationalization is a long word. There are in total 20 characters in this internationalization word. Now this could be a little tedious to use such a long word every time. So in order to make it more convenient, there is a shorthand expression for this long word, which is I18N. Definitely there are 18 characters between I and N. So in short, we can also refer internationalization as I18N. Alright, now moving forward, let us try to understand what exactly is this internationalization mean. Now friends, in order to understand the concept of internationalization, let us quickly check this website, which is hotels.com. Now definitely this website is an amazing website. This is a global level website. Pretty cool, right? Now this website gives people all around the globe an opportunity to book hotels anywhere in the world, which is cool. But this website should also support multi-languages, multi-currency, because people all around the world will use it. It should support internationalization. This concept of supporting multi-language, multi-currency is nothing but internationalization. Now for example, if I navigate down in here, the currency is again INR, which is nothing but Indian rupees, right? Now definitely, for example, a person from Brazil is using this website, then definitely he can change it, and now the language has been converted to different language. You can easily make out that the language has been updated. Pretty cool, right? Now the way the website is responding, the way the website is looking is again very cool. So this is internationalization, where we can select different type of languages or different type of currency. And if we check the URL, on the URL again the domain has been converted, and again there is this get parameter locale. Now we will talk about locale in our next video. Now again, if I convert this to for example Mexico, then again the URL has been converted a little, and we can also convert the currency now. Let me show you. So for example, we select the euros as currency. Definitely now it is showing the currency in euros, right? So this is cool, right? So this is known as internationalization, where a website supports multiple languages, multiple currencies, in short multiple locales. So this is amazing, this is cool. So this is in short internationalization, where we support internationalization, multiple currencies, multiple languages. Alright, so in our next video we will talk about locale, and then moving forward we will also check how we can implement the concept of internationalization into our own website. So something interesting is coming up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.